Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning, student. Today we will discuss ribosomes. We are discussing different organelles present in the cell, and we have discussed one of the organelle, like we have discussed nucleus, and now we will discuss ribosomes. Ribosomes, their introduction is that they are very tiny granular structures. Okay, they are very small structure and they are granular. Okay, and if their location is next, then they are maybe either floating freely in cytoplasm, it means they are freely float in the cytoplasm, or they may be bounded to the endoplasmic reticulum, means the endoplasmic reticulum is another organelles present in the cell, and they may be either freely float in the cytoplasm in the cell, or maybe they bind to the endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, then its chemical composition, it is made up of equal amount of proteins and ribosomal RNA. Okay, and these ribosomes, they are not bound with membrane. It means they are not covered with membranes. So these ribosomes, they are present in both prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Okay, ribosomes are present in both prokaryotes and eukaryotes. But there is a difference between ribosomes of eukaryotic and prokaryotic ribosome. Eukaryotic ribosomes is larger. Okay, size wise, eukaryotic ribosomes are slightly larger than prokaryotic one. Okay. And next is its function. What is the function of ribosome? They are site of protein synthesis. Okay, protein synthesis take place in ribosomes. Okay, and protein synthesis is very important to the cell. That's why they are very important organ, and they are present in both prokaryotes and eukaryotic cell. And this is the structure of ribosome. It is made up of larger subunits and smaller subunits. Okay, actually when this ribosomes is working, then its structure is look like this. This may have larger, smaller subunits, and when it is not working, it means when it not make protein, that it disassembles into subunits. It means its subunits, they get separated. Larger subunit is separated from the smaller subunit. So this is the function of ribosome, that it make protein. Okay, next organelle is the mitochondria. Mitochondria is very important organelle, and it is double membrane bonded organelle. It means it is covered with two membranes. Okay, one out okay, and this is present mostly in eukaryotic cells. Prokaryotic cells do not have mitochondria, and they are present in eukaryotic cell. Okay, and they are very important organelle. And why they are important? Because in it aerobic respiration take place. So mitochondria are the site of aerobic respiration in eukaryotic cells. Okay, it means that major energy production centers. They are the major energy production centers. It means energy which is produced in the cell is in the mitochondria. So that's why they are involved in aerobic cellular respiration, and they are very important organelle. Okay, this is next paragraph is about its structure. Its structure, as we have discussed, it is made up of two membrane. It's covered with two membrane. Outer membrane is smooth, that is, and inner membrane is present in the form of enfoldings. These are enfoldings present in the inner membrane. Okay, these actually enfoldings are very important, and these inner membrane, when they form the enfolding, it is called the cristae. Okay, this inner membrane basically increase the surface area of the mitochondria, in which there are different reactions, metabolic reaction take place inside the mitochondria. So this inner membrane increase the surface area of the mitochondria. Okay, and inner side of the inner membrane is called the matrix. Okay, in matrix different biochemical reaction take place. Okay, another important thing about mitochondria is that they have their own DNA and ribosomes, and these DNA and ribosomes, they are more similar to prokaryotic ribosome rather than eukaryotic ribosome. It means they have semi-autonomous organelles that it perform its own function by its own, and that's why it has its own DNA and ribosomes. Okay, this is the diagram of the mitochondria. It's important regarding papers में भी draw करने के लिए आ जाता है mitochondria. Right, draw the mitochondria. Okay, you will practice the diagrams and learn it. These are the two different organelles, and make 5 questions and MCQs from it. Okay, take care and love first.